If human beings followed the laws of nature, there would be no conflicts or wars. This is a provocative statement that invites us to distinguish between violence, which exists in nature, and war, which is a human invention. At first glance, nature seems violent. The lion hunts the gazelle, the storm breaks the tree. But there is a fundamental difference between the law of the jungle and the law of man, malice versus necessity. Here is why aligning with nature would indeed eliminate war. The law of sufficiency versus greed. In nature, an animal takes only what it needs to survive today. A leopard does not kill 1,000 gazelles to store them in a freezer just in case, or to sell them to other leopards for profit. A tree grows to reach the sunlight. It does not try to grow taller just to humiliate the tree next to it. Human conflict almost always stems from accumulation and greed, the desire to own more than one needs, or to control resources that belong to others. Nature operates on balance. Humans operate on excess. The absence of ideology, nature fights for survival, food, territory, mating. These are tangible, biological imperatives. Humans go to war for abstract concepts, religion, political borders, national pride, money, or honor. If we followed nature, we might fight to protect our home, defense, but we would never travel thousands of miles to kill someone because they believe in a different god or economic system. Nature does not deal in abstractions, it deals in reality. The law of interconnectedness, an ecosystem, understands implicitly that destroying the other eventually destroys the self. If the wolves eat all the deer, the wolves starve. There is a built-in check and balance. Human warfare often ignores this. We create weapons that can destroy the very environment we depend on. To follow the laws of nature is to recognize that we are part of the web, not the masters of it. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. Lao Tzu. The conflict in nature is cyclical and restorative. The conflict in humanity is often linear and destructive. The lesson, to follow the laws of nature, is to drop the ego. The ego wants to be right, to be superior, and to possess more. Nature just wants to be. Reflection for the close of the year. Look at the conflicts in your own life. How many of them are about genuine survival, and how many are about your ego trying to defend an abstract idea or a sense of pride?